Namaste, dear friends. I would like to share with you few practical things that is very necessary for you to know. In the path of Vipassana, you are going to sit for a long time, and you are going to get little tension in your body also by sitting longer period of time. So you have to know how to sit properly so that you can remove the stress in your legs. Longer period of time when you sit, it may injure your knees and other joints of the body. If there will be more pain, then you may get disturbed in your practice. That's why it is very important to know the proper sitting position. Proper sitting position allows your energy to flow in a proper direction. Proper sitting position allows you to find the stillness. Proper sitting position allows you to find the relaxation. Proper sitting position allows you to find the focus. And when you go into the deep state of silence more and more times, you create new samskaras of peace. Okay, so that's why it is very important to learn. Ready? Okay. If suppose now you see my posture, many people sit like this. It's called Sukhasana. But this is also very good position for meditation. You can sit like this. You can do a mudra and you can do the cross leg position. But what happens as the right leg on the left heel or the left leg on the right foot, after a few moments the legs may slip. So what we can do, that we can take a support, maybe it will be good for you, or there is another way of sitting by which you may feel very comfortable. Some people, they slouch their back like this and they meditate, and some people, they slouch the lower back and they straight the upper back, which is very, very dangerous. If you do not know the proper way of sitting, it may disturb your body positions and you get pain in the neck, in the shoulders, in the hip joints and different places of the body. So how to align the body, that is very important to know. So first of all, if you can sit like this is a very nice position also, because when your legs are on the floor, you may feel little relaxation in your legs. But once you do this, your body may slouch a little bit, and if gets slouched, then you can put something under your buttocks. Either a small cushion you can put under your sitting bone. So immediately you can find very easy. Okay, you see my spine now, and sit like this. But not everyone can sit in this way. Many people try to sit like this, still their legs is like this. They sit like this. So in this position, I am going to teach you something. There are few things you use to sit under your sitting bone. When you sit like cross leg or anything like this, your back gets slouched. To remove the slouches of your spine, you have to find a blanket or cushion or booster, anything else. It may help you to sit comfortably. So the best is the blanket. If you sit here, you see not everywhere in the booster is same, and it is not too tight also, so that when your sitting bone is here, it may get unstable. That's why it is not recommended. If there is nothing, you can sit on it, but you can use this booster for sitting. I will tell you how to do it. So very most important thing is how to fold the blanket. You see, there should not be any wrinkles, and fold the blanket like this, and then like this. And here you have to sit in the edge of the blanket like this. I put this blanket here, and here I will sit. Okay, and first I spread my legs, release the tension of your thigh joints and thighs, legs. Okay, now whatever leg is comfortable for you, you can just bend your one knees and then another. So just move a little bit forward and adjust your blanket and sit on the blanket. So you can remove the tension of your legs and find the comfortable position. If you want, you can place your little fingertips on the spine and push a little bit and try to see if it is curved or not. Now sit in this position. When you are sitting, from the top of the head to the tailbone, it should be a straight line, but spine will be not straight. Spine is as curved. Normally people, when they sit, the lower spine is the outside, but in the real position of sitting, your lower spine, lower back should be as curved, the down. So in this position you have to sit. Okay, and from this side you can check me. From here, from the center part to the top, it should be one line, and you check my head should be not this side or that side, one shoulder is not up and down, and full straight, not like this or like this. So this is a perfect position. And if you do not have the blanket, you can use this kind of cushions also. Different kind of cushions are there. If you do not have this, you can use the pillows. Okay, so if the pillow is too soft, then fold the pillow like this and sit on it. Okay, so these are the, actually this is, you cannot change the thickness of this cushion, and you can check if they are comfortable for you. Dear friends, some people have difficulties to sit in this position for long period of time. So what we can do, whenever you take it, the back will slouch. That's why you have to use this. My dear friends, you can use a pillow in this way. You can put the pillow, the cushion like this and sit. And if you need more height, you can put another pillow or anything else, and yes. So here in this position you get a relaxation. Your knees will not have going to get pain, and you can sit for long period of time. To check your spine, stretching your arms and adjust your sitting position, left, right, front, back, and then once you find a comfortable position, and then relax there, and you can meditate there. So here You can place your right hand on the left hand and thumbs together and place it on the cushion and sit comfortably and meditate. In this position, you can find very comfortable. You know, people use Zen bench. Zen bench is also very good. This is like a Zen bench. Okay, so still, if you find difficulties to sit in this way, I will give you another way of sitting. You can sit on the chair. Okay, so how to sit on the chair, I will tell you. Sitting in the chair, also you can get enlightenment. You don't have to sit on the floor to get enlightenment, but any posture is good for this. But sitting on the floor gives you another feeling. Okay, but in case you have any kind of physical problem that you are unable to sit on the floor, you can use the chair. I will introduce the chair. The chair should be flat like this. Your chair should not be like bent. Okay, and always you sit on the edge of the chair. Don't go back, don't slouch your back, and here sit on the edge of the chair like this, and you see the feet should be apart little bit and the knees should be apart. They should not be together, they apart and parallel. So the knee joint should not be higher than the thigh joint. Either they are in the same height or the thigh joint should be higher than the knee joint. If you want little bit higher, then you can put a cushion. Yes. Or if you think that you need more little bit height, your knees should be go up, then you can put something under your feet. Okay, so when you put this, then you can get a little bit, your knees will be higher. So once you sit in this position, then also you can put the right hand on the left hand, your thumbs together, and sit in this position in meditation. Or you can do like this or like this also fine. Okay, automatically in this Maitri Asana or in this chair position, you feel relaxed and focused. This is the sitting position on the chair. So dear friends, either you can sit on the floor or on the booster or on the chair, you can meditate Vipassana meditation. Okay, most important thing is to be aware of what you are practicing. Okay, mindfulness, that is more important. Awareness is most important. So that awareness and mindfulness become stronger when you become still and relaxed. Okay, so in case you have any kind of pain in your body, just be watchful. Without any reaction, be watchful. That is also part of the Vipassana meditation. Okay, this is what you have learned today, how to sit. Thank you.